Microsoft's dropping its cheapest Surface PCs with AI power this month. Welcome to GadInsider. Let's explore the budget-friendly Copilot Plus revolution. A 13-inch Surface laptop for $899 and a 12-inch Surface Pro for $799. These AI-packed devices rival MacBooks for less. Want the details? Stay tuned. On May 6, 2025, Microsoft announced its most affordable Surface lineup yet, launching on May 20th. The 13-inch Surface laptop starts at $899 and the 12-inch Surface Pro at $799, aimed at budget-conscious users like students and young pros. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon X Plus chips, these Copilot Plus PCs match the performance of Apple's $999 MacBook Air with colors like Ocean, Violet, and Platinum. These are Microsoft's cheapest Copilot Plus PCs, which offer AI tools. Copilot Plus lets you tweak settings or draft documents using natural language, like asking, dim my screen, or write a memo. The Snapdragon X Plus chip with a 45 TOPS NPU runs AI locally, boosting speed and privacy. High-res touchscreen displays are ideal for work or travel, rivaling iPad Air Pro models. At $799 and $899, these Surfaces undercut premium AI laptops while offering sleek designs and robust performance. The Pro's 1.5-pound frame and optional 12-inch keyboard make it a tablet laptop hybrid. USB-C, Wi-Fi 7, and recycled aluminum builds add value. With Windows 10 support ending October 2025, these are smart, secure upgrades for budget buyers and making AI accessible to all. These Surfaces bring premium AI to budget shoppers, but are they for you? If you want MacBook-level power for less, they're a steal. Planning to pre-order to grab one or sticking with your current setup? Drop your thoughts in the comments. What's your take on these budget AI PCs? That's the scoop on Microsoft's cheapest Copilot Plus PCs. If you're excited for these budget AI Surfaces, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech news.